Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'll be making some chicken sauce and mashed potato. So first we're going to make our chicken sauce and I'll tell you guys what I'll be using for the sauce. My chicken sauce, I'll be using some carrots, cabbage, bay leaf, some chicken, diced onions, and my tomato sauce. I actually just blended some tomatoes and pepper, fresh tomatoes and pepper, and then I sieve it out. We have our chicken washed and I'm going to add some spices. First, I'm adding cumin, thyme, curry, ginger, powdered ginger, black pepper, some salt, my favorite Chinese spices, seasoning cubes, then my bay leaf. Also use some pepper soup spice, Nigerian pepper soup spice. Add your diced onion. At this point, you don't add any water, you just allow it steam a little bit. Now you can add some water and let the chicken cook properly. Take out the chicken, heat some oil, add your tomato sauce, fry it, can you see? Then you add your onion. The normal way to fry your tomato sauce as a Nigerian is to fry your onion before your tomatoes. But no, this one, and I'm frying the tomato first before I add my onion. Add your carrot and your cabbage. You transfer it to the stock, stir it a little bit, then you add your chicken. You can fry your chicken if you want. I just didn't want to fry this one. That's it, guys. You already know you have your chicken sauce ready. So now let's make our mashed potato. I just peeled the potato and soak it while I was making the chicken sauce. So it's thoroughly washed. You add to your pot, you add some water. You add some salt. Let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the heat. You check if the potato is well cooked. Then you have to drain out the water. Clean the bowl. You have to mash it in a dried bowl so you don't have soup but mashed potato. You can always use a spoon and a sieve to mash your potato, but it's just that you have to add little energy. You can see it's very smooth. I melted my butter a little bit and I'm going to add it in bits, then mix it very well. Some people do add milk in their mashed potato, but whatever works for you. I'm just going to use butter because I'm going to pair it with my chicken sauce. If you want, you can add some black pepper, just whatever works for you. I'm fine with just salt and my butter. That's it, guys. So we have our mashed potato and chicken sauce. Let me zoom it in a little bit so you can see how delicious this looks. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.